Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I've been asked about weather alerts. Can we get weather alerts to play over our GMRS two-way radio repeater without using a computer? And to answer that question, yes, technically it should. And I'll explain why I say technically here in a minute. But I'm going to explain, and as all of you know, but I'm going to explain this anyways. There's weather announcements and there's weather alerts. I've done many videos on how to get weather announcements to be played over your GMRS two-way radio repeater. Now that does require a computer, and you got to have internet access because it pulls the data for your local weather off the internet. Now, weather announcements only do temperature, your current temperature, your current wind speed, maybe how much rain you got, stuff like that. Now, weather alerts are the ones that you hear that had the type of tone. Those are only broadcast for your area when there is actually some type of alert, whether it's tornado watch, tornado warning, thunderstorms, warnings, whatever. That's the difference between weather alerts and weather announcements, okay? Today's video, we're talking about weather alerts. Can I get weather alerts to play over my GMRS two-way radio repeater without using a computer? To answer that question, technically, yes. And let me explain why I say that. And I'm going to kind of demonstrate why I say this. Now, of course, I haven't fully tested this, so I can't say 100% yet because I'm still working on this interface board. And which brings me to the point. The interface board I'm using in this video is the handheld interface board that I've been working on. I've done many videos on it. I will post those links in the description below. But this interface board is also a repeater controller board. If you remember my videos, I built a circuit to be a repeater controller board that you don't need a computer for. Now, that kind of helps with this function because we're going to need two radios to do this weather alert, okay? Now, this interface board does not use any Vox. There's no radio modifications, and it should technically work with every handheld out there, okay? And it will work with any mobile radio also out there. Like I said, I'll post all the links down below. So what we have here is I do not have a GMRS radio that can do weather alerts. Now, I think there's some Baofangs out there that can do that. I don't have a radio. Maybe I'll get one in the next few months. That's a GMRS type of radio that does weather alerts. Now, we don't want weather announcements because that's a continuous. If I remember correctly, if you go to the weather announcements frequency in your area, I think that's a continuous loop. You don't want that, you just want weather alerts. You got to make sure the radio does weather alerts. There might be some mobiles that can do that too. I'm not for sure on that, but like I say, maybe I'll get something a little bit later. I don't think my mobiles can do any weather alerts, though. I don't think the mobiles I got can even do weather announcements. But nevertheless, you got to have a radio that can do weather alerts. So we're going to need two radios. This is the transmit radio, and this is going to be my receive radio. Now, the receive radio I'm using is the Midland XT1000. Now, I'm only using this radio because I don't have, like I said, a radio that does weather alerts. So I'm going to act like this is a regular GMRS radio that has weather alerts enabled. Okay, that's kind of why I'm doing this. So disregard the frequency I have on this radio. The frequency, I don't even know what channel 6 is. That may be an FRS channel. I really don't know. But for demonstration purposes, it does not matter. Now, although I should say, make sure that you're using the correct frequencies to operate a GMRS repeater. So I should probably say that. Now, whether this channel 6 is the GMRS frequency, I really don't know. It may not be, but that's okay for this particular video. So we're going to need 2 radios. Now this is a repeater controller board also. I flipped the switch to enable that function. Now the reason why we're going to need 2 radios, because we cannot have one radio receive and transmit at the same time. So that's why we have to use 2 separate radios. This radio is my receive radio, which can also receive the weather alerts. That brings me to another point. If you are going to have weather alerts, you got to make sure your radio can receive it, and you got to make sure it's turned on, and you got to make sure you're within range of your weather alert transmitter. Now for me, it's kind of so-so, it's a little staticky, but I'm sure if I put a better antenna outside, I could probably get it much better. So you got to make sure that receive radio can do all that, and you're within range of that weather alert transmitter for your area. Now these are going to be like programmed to the repeater frequency. My repeater frequency, or my repeaters, you can't see it, it's off camera, but I have this programmed to my transmit frequency. I have this programmed to my receive frequency, along with weather alerts enabled. So on this radio, weather alerts is enabled by a flashing little cloud with rain. So it's only going to do weather alerts. It's not going to announce the current temperature. It's not going to announce the current wind speed, only weather alerts. I have this cable plugged into the speaker out. So when this weather alert goes off, it does not matter what channel this radio is on. It's going to play it. Well, since it's going to play it over the speaker. Well, since I have the speaker out cable plugged in, it's going to play it over this cable, which in turn is going to be hooked up to my repeater interface controller board, and which is going to key up this radio, and it's going to retransmit it to my repeater, and I'm going to hear the weather alerts on this radio. I'm hoping this is making sense. Now, if there's no weather alert, and if this was programmed to my repeater frequency, then it would just act like a receive radio just in general usage. So I'm hoping this is making sense. So theoretically, that's how this should work. Now I'm going to act like, and the reason why I'm kind of doing this, I guess it doesn't really matter. I could have used a regular radio, but for the most part, I'm going to act like we have a weather announcement. When a weather alert goes off, it's going to put this radio into receive mode. Okay? It's going to be in receive mode. So with that being said, that means it's going to be playing sound through the cable because this radio is in receive mode. So I'm going to act like we have a weather alert go off. And I'm going to act like that by putting this radio in receive mode. And I'm going to do that by keying up this radio that's actually on the same frequency as this radio. This is going to act like we're receiving a weather alert because this radio is being activated in receive mode. I hope that makes sense. And when I key this up, you're going to see this radio key up right away, and it's going to be retransmitting to my repeater. See? So that's why I say, technically speaking, we should be able to get weather alerts with this interface board. Technically speaking, I got to do more testing. I got to do a lot more, circuit tuning, testing, and I got to make sure. But as long as your receive radio can receive weather alerts, it should play it over your repeater, as long as you have this programmed to your repeater frequency. Okay? So, and again, no Vox in these radios are turned on. No Vox on this board. No radio modifications, plug and play. Okay, and then mobile radios too. I did a video on mobile radios. I had 2 mobile radios here. And if your mobile radio can get weather alerts, that's going to be the same way. Just enable that. Now, I don't know what GMRS radios can get weather alerts. I believe both handhelds can. I don't know what mobile radios can. I'd have to do some checking on that. But that should play that alert no matter what frequency that radio is on. It should play that alert over the radio unless you have the speaker out cable plugged in, which I do, so I won't hear it over this radio, but it will be played over through the inner repeater controller board and through this radio here through the transmit. So, like I said, I got to do more testing. Theoretically, it should work, but we got to make sure that everything is going to work the way I want it to work. So that's why I say what I say. Theoretically, it should work without any issues. But again, I'll do more testing. So I hope this kind of explains how we might be able to get weather alerts on our GMRS two-way radio repeaters with no computer. That simple. So any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.